Now we learn in this level. This is the level 5. In this level we learn how to sketch sweep boss. So let's start. Just click front plane and click sketch. Now go to this line and sketch on this origin point. Just click on this origin point and drag it, sketch and sketch, again sketch it, again sketch it, yeah, and right click and select OK. Now click on this line and you can drag it, just drag it, yeah, and drag it here on this line and again drag it on this line, yeah, okay. Now click OK. Now go to this picture and click sweep boss and choose this circular profile and click this is our circular profile. It is automatically converted as a sweep boss. Now see, if you want to change this dimension you can change, just I will have it 20. You see it is made as a 20 millimeters and just click OK. Okay. Now go to this revolve boss base and click this and click show, and now go to feature and click sweep cut and choose this circular profile and choose this is our profile and make it 10 millimeters and click OK. Now see, our revolve boss and cut both are created. Now see this revolve cut, sweep cut. Okay, thank you for watching for this lecture. We'll learn more in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.